So in this video, you are going to learn how to create the before and after video in Premiere Pro. Something like this. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. For any reason, if you want to share your before and after result in a video, and it can be for the images or the videos or for the presets or the LUTs pack like I did for my latest dark and dramatic cinematic LUTs pack. If you have not downloaded those, please do download those. The link of that is in the description section below, or check out my last video. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a before and after video professionally in the Premiere Pro. Though there is a simple way to create that video, before and after video, and that is just by putting the before clip on the beginning. Once that is completed, you put the second clip, which is the after. So you can show the before and after, but that is not the professional way of showing before and after, and that even doesn't look good. So in this video, I will show you how you can do that professionally so that your video look amazing or the professional. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more video editing related tutorials, tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's get started.
So first of all, we have to show the before and after on this clips. So these are some clips which I created for my dark and dramatic cinematic LUTs pack, which you can download absolutely free from the link in the description section below. So all of these you can see over here, I have placed two type of files, videos over here. One is the after, so this is the after one on which I have applied the LUTs preset, and this is the without any preset. So this is the before. So I have right clicked and rename the track as after and before. So you have to place the before copy on the top and after copy on the bottom. So you have to use two tracks, video 1 and video 2. So on the video 1 you will put the after video, and on the video 2 you will put the before. And if I just play it, you can see on the top you will see only the before clip. So what I want that this before clip should run for half of the time of this clip, and then the after clip would start. And I want to show a wipe from left to right, or screen is moving from left to right and right to left, or you can decide whichever way you want, but I want it to be from left to right. So for this purpose, there is one way where you can animate the position, or there is a different and simple fastest way, and that is by going to the effects panel. So let's go to the effects panel and search for linear wipe. So linear wipe is a transition, so we'll be using this transition. So we'll click and drop it over on the before video. So this is the before video, and in the effects control of this video you will see the linear wipe is over here. So this is the transition, so we can just drag it 100% and that would be covered. So let me show you. If I just drag it to 100%, that means this before layer is now not visible. So what I will suggest, I will just bring it down back to the 0%, and now I will create a keyframe. So in order to create a keyframe, you have to click on this stopwatch, and that would create a keyframe over here. You can see this is the keyframe, and thereafter we'll move to the half of the time in the timeline. So maybe something around over here, and over here I want to completely hide this before video or the before clip. So what I would do, I would go to the linear wipe, transitions completion, and I would increase it to 100%, and that would create another keyframe over here. And now I want to make my animation smoother from this to this. So what I would do, I would right click on this keyframe and I would select the easy ease in, and on this one I will right click and select easy ease out. Alright, so that way it's going to create a curve, something like this. So you can even animate it if you want, but I just want to keep it simple. Alright, so if I just play this clip now from the beginning, you will see first the before clip is running and then the after clip has started. So first this is the before and this is the after, and thereafter the after video would play. So similarly we can do this on the second clip. So once you have done it on the first clip, what you have to do, you have to just right click, copy it and just paste it on the second one. So Control V to paste, and now you will see that this is the before and then it is after. And if you want to make it slow, you can increase this duration. Alright, so you can increase this duration if you want of these keyframes. So you can drag it maybe over here, so that way the transition would be slower. So if I just play it like this, you can see, and on this I can again Control V to paste it over here as well, and that would work in the similar way. And similarly on the rest of the videos, I'm just going to select all of these and I would press Control V or Command V to paste that exact setting of the linear wipe transition, and it would automatically start applying this. So you can see, so this is how it's very easy and simple to create the before and after video, and that would look professional and that would show your before and after work very efficiently and very professionally, and that would look just amazing. So this is how you can do this, but do remember you have to put your after clip on the bottom and the before clip on the top, so you can use it for the images or the videos or anything similar to that. Alright, so make sure you put the after on the bottom and before on the top, and then apply the linear wipe transition, and then go to the transition and create two keyframes. One would be starting from the 0% and then go in the middle and create another transition and create another keyframe and complete it to 100%. So that way the before clip would run for the half of the time, and for the rest of the time the rest of the clip would run. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have still not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing video editing related tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.